So Donna said every building they're all over Facebook talking about how their house.
I don't think you can really see it. Not surprising.
You can see it from my bedroom window.
No, I mean no, I can see it in the real world, just not in the thing.
Okay.
What are you doing now?
I'm getting out of the way.
Oh. Sorry.
What did you say? I'm sorry, I was getting out of the way of the fire truck. And the fire trucks are probably really, really bad that everybody decided to come out.
We're kind of in the way of something too already.
Alright, well they said on TV that it was a gas leak caused the home to explode. Okay, that's so funny because as soon as I was finished thinking that it was lightning, because I was asleep, I didn't know that was the first thought I had was a plane crash. Roman's been documenting the whole thing on video.
Yeah, Zoe got a little video when we were over at Mary Bryan earlier.
Wow.
Hey, Mom, you want to hold this for me?
Okay. Am I supposed to keep filming, Roman? Because you can't see anything. You can't see that big pillar of smoke.
People are saying. I was trying to talk to my dad.
Did he didn't fill it down there?
I don't know.
No, he didn't because Michelle didn't.
Michelle didn't fill it in Greenwood.
Well, Michelle said she didn't fill it where she was. Oh, there we go. I bet this can't get on video either. Oh yeah.
We'll try it.
Yes, you can see it. You can see it.
Oh. Could you respond to the rest of this for me?
All right. I'd like to get a still picture
In
of that.
Donna's neighborhood, going something like that. You can say that typing for me.
Do you mind getting a still picture of that, Roman?
All right.
Well, we've heard that.
Okay, this also says gas explosion. It looks like it's a ladder from a... So somebody's trapped in the house. Look how high it is.
The cops went by. They just went right
They
to the
wouldn't
field.
let us ride them. They were all in there when we were in there. With some people saying the house blew up.
Who?
Some people saying.
playing band all of a sudden.
They need to get out of that house.
Now we are working to confirm the cause.